Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix FoodPanda app unexpected error. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So in this case, there's a few things that you need to do here to probably solve this issue. So first thing that we need to do here is we need to clear our app cache. Now to do that, press and hold on FoodPanda here, go to app info, and from here click on the option that says clear data, and from here choose that says clear cache. Now in this case, we are just going to clear our temporary files, so just go ahead and click on OK. And from here, what we need to do next is we need to make sure that we have the latest update for FoodPanda. Now in this case, go to Google Play Store here, open it up, look for FoodPanda, and see if you have the latest updates. Now in this case, once you updated your FoodPanda application here, go ahead and open it up again, and from then on, see if that solves your issue. Now in this case, this one is actually pretty easy and a pretty straightforward process. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.